Yo guys, welcome to another vlog. You know I always like to sing a little bit, but this time I'm gonna rap for you. And the rap goes, yo, yo, If you're sitting on the bog, the best thing to watch is Kaneez Masi's vlog, because then it'll come out nicely and you'll feel like your bowels are princely. Ugh. Okay guys, so welcome to this vlog, and it's a very special vlog because today I am going into surgery to remove ovarian cyst, one ovarian cyst and a fibroid. and you're like, Kaneez Masi, why are you sharing this with us? Isn't it a personal thing that you're going through? And yes, it is, but I also wanted to teach all you young children out there what a 37-year-old Masi goes through with regards to her reproductive system. So you're going to learn a lot when, like, one day when someone asks, hey, do you know what ovarian cyst is? And you're like, yes, I do. I know exactly what it is. And then you can just tell them to come to my channel. I'm here at Namaha Healthcare Services, and Dr. Munjal Kapadia owns a hospital, and he's also a very good friend of mine. He does a podcast called She Says She's Fine, which discusses female reproductive and sexual health. And I was on it like 2 years ago, and I'll put the link here so you can. And so I met him recently, and he said, why don't you come to my hospital and we will do the surgery? And so here I am. So my family couldn't be with me because they're in South Africa and they can't travel. But my best friend, Ayman Karakiwala, merchant. I want you guys to meet Ayman Merchant. My best friend, I've known her for years. She's like, please don't take a very long video of me. And I said, why?
Very long.
Sorry, okay, fine. Guys, she's not a comedian. She runs an agriculture business. So you guys think Kaneez Masi doesn't have cool friends? You're wrong. So Ayman, who's been my friend since I was 10 years old, picked me up last night and we came here to the hospital, and she made some amazing food. And she brought it with her, and then we were just together. And I'm really glad she's here. Okay guys, so I'm getting my IV before my surgery. This is Kajal, my nurse, who's attending to me. This is gonna hurt me?
No, like ant bite, that's it.
An ant bite? You guys are gonna be two very mixed messages. Kajal's not happy. You find my vein? Do I not have veins? Am I?
They have good veins.
Am I dead?
No.
Okay.
Take a deep breath.
Are we done? You see, it was less painful because I was acting for the camera. Rani, what do you have to say? The IV is done now. What are you going to do?
We need to give you 2 injections.
Two?
2.
Where?
On your buttocks. On your buttocks.
On my butt, Kajal. Okay. Okay, so you're going to give me 2 injections on my bum. You gave that to me last night as well. It was really painful.
That was, no, today it won't fit. I'll give you very smoothly.
Okay, let's see this, Rani. Okay, they're going to give me my buttocks injections. Oh. You say it's done, but then when you put, okay, done? Can you do it on the other side?
Other side also.
Not also, just do this one on the other side. Not like give me 5 injections. You know, I have so much fat on my buttocks, it actually helps with the pain. Pinch my skin really tight. Yeah, so I'm going into surgery in 30 minutes. I don't want to take up too much time. Dr. Munjal Kapadia. I'm very excited.
Excited?
Yeah, sorry, do you mind if I have the cameras here?
No problem.
Okay. You know, this really sounds stupid, but like shooting this vlog is just distracting me from thinking about it.
Very good.
We're going into the surgery. Wow, check it. This. Oh my God, check out my theater. I feel like I'm in Grey's Anatomy, but not playing the doctors.
She's going to put this up online. Yeah.
This is the original Dr. Kapadia. The original OG.
OG.
Oh my guys, look at this theater, guys. This is beautiful and so clean.
See the needle? You okay now?
Yeah.
Done.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, the operation is done. Thank you, Dr. Manjot. I got my 3 babies, my 2 fibroids, Fibu and Fibi, and my sister, I like to call Sistu. I'll come up with better names later. My babies.
चंदा है तू मेरा सूरज है तू ओ मेरी आँखों का तारा है तू.
So it's day 2, the day after my surgery. The surgery went really well, guys. I'm feeling a little bit of pain, and Iman left because she had to go back to her family. But guess who came to look after me?
It's me!
He's gonna look after me.
I'm here to hold a vlog camera. Again.
I can't believe I've got 8 seasons of a show, 4 seasons of another show, host Comicstan, and I'm holding Kaneez's vlog camera. That's what my career has come down to.
Yay!
Hey guys, it's day 3 of my stay in the hospital, and today I'm feeling a little bit better, a little bit doozy. Yesterday was really rough because I had some muscle spasms on my right shoulder, and that had nothing to do with my stomach. So I was like, why are you doing natak, right shoulder? Why are you trying to be part of the drama? And he was like, oh, I feel really left out. I also want to feel pain. I'm like, but you're not part of this surgery. Anyway, so he was doing his own thing. You know how right shoulders are. Also, I just want to say I have the most beautiful friends, and Abish Matthew has just been. You really don't do natak now because you've been really beautiful and really looked after me. Like yesterday when I was crying, he just helped me breathe and he stayed calm.
Would you like to end this pain, like to say subscribe? Okay. Go subscribe to Tanmay.
I'm just really happy that I have a friend like you.
Remember, if you're also going through a cyst surgery, I am your soul sister.
There we go.
I really
Smokey.
should quit comedy now.
Smokey already made that.
Oh, she made it.
Yeah.
I should rejoin comedy now.
Yay! But remember, if you want Abish to be your friend during hard times, subscribe to my channel.
That's right. It's youtube.com/son of a.
So today we're going to meet Mr. Dr. Munjal, and he's going to tell us everything that I went through over the last 3 days. So you guys get a better understanding of what I was doing here in the first place, because I never told you guys what I was doing. So doctor, I wanted to talk to you about, because I was supposed to get information about my operation before, but basically I wanted you remove 2 fibroids and an ovarian cyst.
So you've had recurrent dermoid cysts, and a dermoid cyst is a tumor in the ovary which comprises tissue from all the different embryonic elements. So right from glands to skin cells to hair to teeth. So a few years ago, she had a very, very large dermoid cyst on one ovary and another large one on the other ovary. And she underwent an open surgery there with a very, very like a midline incision. For some reason, when we did the ultrasound, we couldn't see any ovary on your left side.
Guys, I don't have a left ovary. So
I mean,
if
you
anyone
had
wants to if anyone wants to donate a left ovary to me,
Abish is donating his left.
Abish, oh thank you so much. Abish is, in fact, I don't need them anymore. Abish will be donating his left ovary to me. Thank you so much.
Yay!
Very consciously, we made an effort to do it open and do microsurgery on the ovary and remove the
So
dermoid
you could
cyst
see exactly what was happening.
and try to preserve as much of ovarian tissue as possible. Now, this could have been done laparoscopically, but we just didn't want to take a risk because she's still young and we want her to have.
So Denise Masi still got it, huh?
She's got it.
My biggest concern was when I came to you last week, you said that if we don't conserve this right ovary, I'll hit menopause early.
Surgical menopause.
One sentence, what is menopause? Because I don't feel like a lot of people don't know what menopause is.
Menopause is cessation of ovarian function.
It means like it just doesn't work anymore?
Yeah, either due to age and the natural aging of the ovary and you run out of eggs and everything, or in some cases when somebody has a bad tumor in the ovary or any other cancer, etc., and ovaries are removed. So what most people don't realize is that menopause is not just about not being able to have babies or having your periods anymore. But estrogen is very, very important for your heart, your bones, your nervous system, even your emotions, your mental acuity. Everything is dependent on estrogen. So ideally, you should preserve as much of ovarian tissue as possible, no matter what surgery you're doing, if everything else is healthy.
Yeah. We saved my right ovary. Yay!
And hopefully no more surgeries.
And hopefully, inshallah, no more
No more
surgery.
surgeries. She's the only patient that we've had who's converted the hospital room into an actual bedroom.
This is the room. It's a very pretty room, and then I bought all my things to decorate it. Bought my own bed cover, and then my laptop because I went to work. I'm going to edit this vlog. May edit karo.
मैं क्या करूँ फिर जॉब छोड़ दूँ?
You know, when her saline was going on, there was something like a small teddy bear hanging from the saline stand. And then she was wearing these really cute socks with pom-poms on it.
Yeah.
Which was making her slip in bed and gave her a cramp. For everyone knowing, it's 48 hours since her
Exactly
surgery.
48 hours.
And she's going home. And she came down and she's walking fine. And I'm so happy to see her do so well.
I feel great. So I'm going to go and rest.
Awesome.
Hey guys, so I finally reached home and I'm really happy to be here and my bed looks beautiful and I'm gonna go sleep and relax and take care of myself. And thank you for watching my vlog, and don't forget to PJ me over here and subscribe to my channel. And mad love to Abish Matthew and Ayman Karakiwala and all my friends and family who checked up on me. And yay, I'll be good to go in a few days time.